purchased a ton of t-shirts from this exact Amazon listing. I wanted to show you exactly how they show up as well as print quality. First of all, when it comes to sizing, it is accurate to size. I am 6'2", 170 pounds. Typically I get a size medium, and so here I got a size medium and it fits absolutely perfectly. As you can see, this image we uploaded, and if you look really carefully, it's actually pretty decent quality. I'm very pleased. And if we were to look at the front side, you can see that this high resolution PNG, which I have also uploaded, looks pretty good. If you're wondering about this, that's where we're gonna write our name because we found on mission trips, a lot of the times you get to like day 7 and you forget who is who, and so sometimes it's kind of nice to actually have a name tag right there on the t-shirt. But let's go back to everything. This is how it's packaged. I can't quite see the size on some of these. Others you can see the size, which makes it fairly easy to pull out. This one's, as you can see. So sometimes you'll have to actually pull these out to determine exactly what size it is. Oh, there we go. See, that one you could tell is clearly a medium. But there you go. It comes packaged like that, and really good quality. Hope this helps.